everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today on 11th day of Bakemas, I'm going to make magic bars. These magic bars are one of the easiest desserts you can make and a dangerously addictive treat you'll want to make again and again. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. My magic bar recipe, first of all I'm going to toast my walnuts. So here I have a cup of walnuts which I'm going to toast in my oven. Just take a baking tray. You can either put a sheet or even without it, you don't have to grease it. Just keep your walnuts here and toast this for about something between 7 to 10 minutes. And then afterwards we'll chop it once they're cool. And now I've taken this square tin. This is 8 by 8 square tin, and I'm going to grease this. Now I'm using foil because it's easy to take it out once our magic bars will be baked. And now I'm going to grease it with this non-stick spray. You can also use normal butter or oil just to grease it with a brush. And now I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, so first of all we have to grind our crackers. So I'm using these Cremica sugar crackers. So we need about 150 grams of this. So now I'm going to crush the biscuits, and we also need this half cup of melted butter. Just melt it and keep it at room temperature, just cool it at room temperature. And now I'm going to take these 150 grams of my crackers, just roughly break them with your hands and add it in your blender. You can also use a food processor. You can also put these crackers in a Ziploc bag and you can crush them with a roller pin. I'm going to crush these alone without butter. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, now they seem fine. And now into this I'm going to add half of the butter first. And blend this again. Okay, I'll add the rest of the butter now. Okay, I'll blend this again. Yeah, it seems fine now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly transfer this crumb mixture in my prepared square tin. And just press this as a layer. You can use your measuring cup just to level this up. And now over this I'm going to sprinkle this coconut, the shredded coconut. Now you can use sweetened, unsweetened, whatever is your choice. Just evenly sprinkle the coconut. The quantity of all the ingredients is mentioned in the description box. You can check from there. Spread it evenly. And now after the coconut, I'm going to sprinkle these chocolate chips. You can take dark chocolate or bitter chocolate, whatever is your preference, whatever is your taste. So just spread evenly. This is a perfect recipe to make during Christmas, and this is really a very easy one. And now on top of this, I'm going to put some butterscotch tidbits, butterscotch chips. So you can see the layers that I'm creating. It was the crumb layer first, butter, then we have the coconut, then the chocolate chips, then the butterscotch chips, just see where you have less and add there. And now for the next layer, I'm adding some walnuts. You can use any nuts of your choice. You can use almonds, pecans or hazelnuts, whatever nuts is easily available with you. Okay, and lastly, the most top layer is going to be the condensed milk. I'm using this Nestle condensed milk, so I'm just going to pour this over this. So now these are going to go to the oven, and I'm going to bake this for about 30 or 35 minutes. I would suggest you not to bake more, because the more you will bake it, the more chewy it is going to be. So into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. So our magic bars are now ready, and see, it has a beautiful golden color. This is all the Milkmaid that has been seeped into it, and it has caramelized. So we'll let it cool for some time on the wire rack at the room temperature, and then we'll come back and we'll cut the slices. You can also put it in a fridge after 5 minutes, keeping on the wire rack, so that we are able to cut the pieces properly, because it's going to be very gooey. So let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been more than 20 minutes now, and I have demolded my magic bar, and now I'm going to slice it. I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, see? Now this is an indulgent dessert. See, can you see this? The chocolate chips, the nuts, then there are the butterscotch chips. So everything is layered, and what happened is the condensed milk has all seeped down inside and it has created a lovely caramelized flavor. So you can see it. You can eat right away. You can also keep it in the fridge and see the crust, golden crust. This is going to taste awesome. The sides are going to be crispy ones and the center is going to be soft and gooey. See, with all that condensed milk inside. So I hope you like this recipe. Do try this, because the best part of this recipe is that you can layer anything in between. You can take any nuts of your choice. You can also use cranberries, dried cranberries, or you can use raisins, any kind of thing, any layer you can be added into this. So that is why it is called 6-layer dessert or 7-layer dessert. So we added first, we added the cracker crumbs, then the butter, then was the coconut, then the chocolate in that chocolate chips, then butterscotch chips we added, then we added the nuts, and lastly we added condensed milk, which seeped down inside and it created the caramelized thing. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and do try this recipe at home. And if you try it, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram, Dipali Ohri, or you can use the hashtag BakeWithDipali. And if you like my recipes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you get an instant notification and you will not be missing out with any of my videos. Do let me know if you want me to bake anything specifically. I'll definitely try my best to bake. And so do try this. Until we meet again, goodbye, take good care of yourself, and Merry Christmas.